Good morning, students. Welcome to the St. Joseph's English Medium School, Vijayapur, and welcome to the 4th Standard English class. Dear students, in previous class we have completed poem number 8, The Hedgehog and His Coat. Today in this class we shall discuss about the exercise of poem number 8. So let's start, children. Yes, first we will read the poem once. Okay. The owls have feathers lined with down to keep them nice and warm. The rats have top coats soft and brown to wrap in from the storm. And nearly every bird and beast has cozy suits to wear. But Mr. Hedgehog has the least of any for his share. His back is stuck with prickly pins that breezes whistle through. And when the winter time begins, the only things to do is just to find a leafy spot and curl up from the rain until the spring comes bright and hot to waken him again. The owls and rats and all their folk are soft and smooth to touch, but hedgehogs are not nice to stroke. Their prickles hurt so much. So, though it looks a little queer, his coat is best of all, for nobody could interfere with such a bristly ball. While explaining the poem, already we read this poem. Yes or no? So, today also once again we read the poem, and while explaining the poem I told you about the poet also. Who has written this poem? This one poem was written by Elizabeth Fleming. Okay, so you all should write this poem neatly in your classwork. Okay, children? Yes, moving to the next question. Read and learn the new words and their meanings. First one, beast. Beast means four-footed wild animal. Second one, breeze. Breeze means move in a lively manner. Next, third one, prickles. Prickles means hard pointed spines. Next, fourth one, interfere. Interfere means meddle with. Next, fifth one, prickly. Prickly means tingling. Sixth one, curl up. Curl up means bend into spiral shape. Next, seventh one, queer. Queer means strange. Eighth one, bristly. Bristly means with short, stiff bristles. Okay, bristly means with short, stiff bristles. Next, ninth one. Ninth one, storm. Storm means an extreme weather condition with very strong wind. Next, tenth one, stroke. Stroke means an act of hitting. Okay, moving to the next question. Answer the following in one sentence each. What do the following animals have on their body? First one, owls. What the owls are having on their body? See the answer here. The owls have feathers on their body. Next, rats. The rats have soft and brown top coats. Once again, I'll repeat the answer. The rats have soft and brown top coats. Next, birds and beasts. The birds and beasts have cozy suits to wear. The birds and beasts have cozy suits to wear. Next, hedgehog. Hedgehog. The hedgehogs have prickly pins on their backs. The hedgehogs have prickly pins on their backs. Answer in brief. Your third question is answer in brief. First one question. What does the hedgehog do during winter? Answer. During winter, the hedgehog curls up in a leafy spot to protect itself from the rain. Yes, once we will repeat it. During winter, the hedgehog curls up in a leafy spot to protect itself from the rain. Next one question. B1. When does it wake up? Answer. It wakes up in spring when the outside is bright and hot. What is the answer? It wakes up in spring when the outside is bright and hot. C1. Why does the poet say that the coat of the hedgehog is the best? Yes, look at the answer. The coat of the hedgehog has prickly pins that protect it. Nobody can touch it as it pricks. Hence, the hedgehog's coat is considered the best. Look at the C1 answer. The coat of the hedgehog has prickly pins that protect it. Nobody can touch it as it pricks. Hence, the hedgehog's coat is considered the best. D1. Why are hedgehogs not nice to touch? Look at the answer. The hedgehogs are not nice to touch because the pointed pins on their backs prickle and hurt those who touch it. I'll repeat the answer. The hedgehogs are not nice to touch because the pointed pins on their backs prickle and hurt those who touch it. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with the correct phrase. Fill in the blanks with the correct phrase. First one, A1. The silk cloth is dashed to touch. What is the answer here? Soft and smooth. The silk cloth is soft and smooth to touch. Next, B1. The jungles are the homes of many dash. The jungles are the homes of many birds and beasts. Next, C1. The days in the summer are dash. The days in the summer are bright and hot. D1. My new socks are dash. My new socks are dash. What is the answer? Soft and brown. My new socks are soft and brown. Next, E1. My sweater is dash. My sweater is nice and warm. What is the answer? Nice and warm. Next, last one, F1. A hedgehog curls up in dash. A hedgehog curls up in a leafy spot. A leafy spot is a answer here. Okay. So dear students, you all have to write all these exercise in your classwork neatly. Okay. Thank you children. Have a nice day.